Hi lovely people, welcome back on my channel Bart's Fish Tales, and today we're going to make a classic American one. We're going to make coleslaw and pan-fried sardines, both served with tzatziki. So first I'm going to prep the tzatziki, which is a sauce based on yogurt, cucumber, mint, garlic and olive oil. Okay, first I de-seed cucumber. Grate the cucumber. So I'm using like half a cucumber on like 200-250 ml of yogurt. So I've got a sieve right here, a tea towel, and I have the cucumber in, a bit of salt, give it a little mix. So the salt helps actually to release the water in the cucumber. Normally I would have this like 24 hours in the fridge, so the cucumber becomes really dry. I'll have it in the fridge until we're going to prep the tzatziki, and we have a little trick for it. So next step is I'm going to crush like 2 garlic cloves, 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra vierge. So this is the garlic and olive oil mix. We have the cucumber there, we have the yogurt here. We top it off with a bit of mint. So all prepped for the tzatziki. Next step is the coleslaw. Take out the heart. So I slice these fine. You can use any cabbage you like. Chinese cabbage. I'm using half. Same way, slice it thin. Here a nice mix of cabbage, and I give it a bit of sourness, some freshness. That's why I'm using a Granny Smith apple. A bit of lemon juice, because I don't want to have the apple coloring. So maybe it's not really traditional to serve apple with your coleslaw, but I love it because of the sourness, the freshness and the crispiness. Lemon juice again, and I mix it with the cole. So now I take the cucumber out of the fridge, and as I told you, I have a little trick. So there is already some liquid of the cucumber in my bowl, but I really squeeze out the liquid, the juice out of the cucumber. Now we finish off the tzatziki. I have a bowl right here. I add the cucumber in my bowl. I add like first 100 ml of yogurt, and I'll add my garlicky olive oil. Stir. Some lovely mint. Love mint. Cut this really, really fine. So add the mint, a bit of salt, black pepper. First taste. Love it. I'll have it in the fridge. Now our seafood hero of today, fresh sardines. I love fresh sardines, full of oiliness and flavor. But if you buy them, make sure you buy them from a sustainable source. I pan fry them today, head off. You easily can pan fry them with the head on too. Step number 1, have my frying pan on medium to high heat. Splash of oil, bit of salt on both sides of the sardines. So first portion, 3 sardines. Lovely, beautiful. And don't move them, guys, don't be afraid. So I pan fried these like 2-3 minutes each side, just when they're caramelized. Turn them around, twist them, and then I'll serve them on the coleslaw. Meanwhile, finish off the coleslaw with tzatziki. So America meets Greece. Give it another stir. Get a bit of coleslaw right here. I'm going to mix it with a bit of tzatziki. Black pepper and some salt flakes. Okay, let me check the sardines. Perfect. 1 more minute. Bit of extra mint on top of it. And to finish off, a little splash of olive oil. wonderful salad, beautiful sardines, tzatziki. Time for a taste. Delicious sardines. Bit of tzatziki. Lovely fish, crispy from the outside, soft from the inside, the flesh, and we have this crispy salad. Delicious tzatziki. Great dish, guys. Well, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them down in the box below. Hope to see you soon back on Bart's Fish Tales. Bye-bye.